My name is Tyler Barksdale. I'm a senior from Piscataway, New Jersey. Being on the blood drive committee is pretty amazing. I was asked to be on it my junior year with Miss Sepler and some of the seniors. So be a part of something knowing that's going to help people in like the broader community, we don't know where the blood's going to go, but we know it's going to go to people that need it, and that's very rewarding to me. And it's just awesome getting the guys from prep to save lives. The main thing I think was just informing guys about like how important it really is. I don't think most people like knew how important donating blood could be. So as the committee, our main thing was like creating flyers, passing them out. Hosting or participating in the blood drive I think is really important, again, for the like Ignatian mission of like just helping others and being committed to justice in various different ways. I think a lot of guys do community service. Going further, they actually like save lives is like just another step in that direction. I'm involved in a lot of different areas at prep, which I'm very happy to say, very grateful for. Most notably, I would say, is being a football team for all 4 years as team captain this past season, student council, diversity board, economics club. I'm part of the Spirit Award committee. Like handing those awards out and doing the nominations, I'd say is even more fun, and that makes me happier than even when I received mine my junior year. So the Spirit Award, I'd say, is definitely unique to prep, and I think is, again, it's connecting back to Father Browning when he created the award, and just the Jesuit tradition of that there are many different ways to make an impact, and I think that it's an awesome way that we say that usually the unsung guys, there's special like elements to every person. So I think that prep just being such a welcoming environment and having basically anything at your disposal allowed me to just pursue everything I was interested in. I think the blood drive and all the other committees we have, just like in any way that you think you can make an impact, you can. The Grad Grad is religious, loving, committed to justice, open to growth, and being intellectually curious or competent. And I think in those 5 areas that there are so many ways to explore each of those personal to yourself, and that, again, in those 4 years at prep, you can explore each of those avenues in your own way. With everything we have here, it's going to be available to you, and you just got to take advantage of it. My name is Tyler Barksdale, and I'm a Marauder.